Master have in Armenian.
Ունենալ.
Welcome. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to Armenian. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you and I will master have in Armenian.
Ունենալ.
Warm up your voice, smile, and let's go. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll say every common form with confidence. Keep it light, we'll laugh a little. Base verb.
Ունենալ.
To have. Singular focus.
Ես ունեմ.
I have.
Դու ունես.
You have.
Նա ունի.
He, she has.
Այն ունի.
It has. Plurals.
Մենք ունենք. Դուք ունեք. Նրանք ունեն.
We'll compare meanings, do drills, a dialogue, and a quiz. Ready? Forms remix. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. I have.
Ես ունեմ.
A book. You have, singular.
Դու ունես.
Time. He has.
Նա ունի.
Keys. She has.
Նա ունի.
A plan. It has.
Այն ունի.
Wi-Fi. We have.
Մենք ունենք.
Snacks. You have, plural.
Դուք ունեք.
Tickets. They have.
Նրանք ունեն.
Ideas. Base form again for memory.
Ունենալ.
Dialogue. The keys caper. Enjoy this mini scene and spot every form of have. A. Where are the keys? B. Relax.
Ես ունեմ.
Them. A. Are you sure? I thought.
Դու ունես.
Them. B. If Aram comes.
Նա ունի.
A spare. A. And Anna?
Նա ունի.
Better memory than us. B. The backpack?
Այն ունի.
10 pockets, basically a black hole. A. Team check.
Մենք ունենք.
The map, right? B. Tour group, confirm.
Դուք ունեք.
The tickets? Group. Yes.
Նրանք ունեն.
Extra snacks for everyone. Call and repeat. Say it out loud, I'll pause for you. Big voice, big win. I have coffee.
Ես ունեմ սուրճ.
You have time.
Դու ունես ժամանակ.
He has a book.
Նա ունի գիրք.
She has a car.
Նա ունի մեքենա.
It has a camera.
Այն ունի տեսախցիկ.
We have tickets.
Մենք ունենք տոմսեր.
You have, plural, a plan.
Դուք ունեք ծրագիր.
They have friends.
Նրանք ունեն ընկերներ.
Culture tip. A little culture makes memory stick. At an Armenian table you'll hear.
Մենք ունենք լավաշ.
And tea. If someone compliments you, a friend might say.
Դու ունես լավ ճաշակ.
You have good taste. My backpack, however, keeps yelling, stop. You.
Ունես.
Enough snacks already. Quiz time. Quick check, answer, then I'll confirm. Q. What's the Armenian infinitive for have? A.
Ունենալ.
Q. Say, we have. A.
Մենք ունենք.
Q. Say, you have, singular. A.
Դու ունես.
Q. Say, you have, plural. A.
Դուք ունեք.
Q. Say, they have. A.
Նրանք ունեն.
Q. Say, it has. A.
Ein uni.
30-second challenge. Your turn, flex your new superpower. Make 3 sentences starting with I have, you have, plural, and she has, in Armenian. Sample ideas.
Ես ունեմ հարց. Դուք ունեք ժամանակ. Նա ունի պլան.
Wrap up. High five, you did it. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Ունենալ.
With daily mini sentences. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.